add cement to popcorn and you'll never deal with this problem again. Let's start by adding a little oil to a pan. Use just enough to coat the bottom evenly. Now, take a handful of raw popcorn kernels and add them to the pan. Wait until the kernels start popping. Once they're done, remove the pan from the heat and let it cool completely. Take a handful of the popped popcorn, place it in your hands, and crush it into tiny pieces. You want to get it as fine as possible, almost like a powder. Transfer this crushed popcorn into a container. Next, grab a tablespoon of cement and sprinkle it over the popcorn. Don't worry, I'll explain why this is genius in just a moment. After the cement, add about 4 tablespoons of baking soda. The combination of these ingredients is what makes this trick so powerful. Put a lid on the container and give it a good shake. Mix everything until the ingredients are fully combined. Don't worry if you missed any of the steps. I've listed everything in the description for you to check out after watching the video. Pour the mixture onto a disposable plate or a shallow dish, something you won't mind throwing away. If you've ever dealt with rats or mice sneaking into your home, you know how frustrating and sometimes scary it can be. What we just created is an incredibly effective homemade rat repellent. The popcorn scent lures them in, but once they ingest the mixture, the cement and baking soda work together to disrupt their digestive system, solving the problem for good.